This meme coin could have a 100x potential. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I'm your host, Umar Khan. Today, we're taking a look at Sponge V2. If you missed Sponge back in 2021, here's your opportunity to load up a bag on Sponge V2. Before we start the video, I want to ask, if you haven't already, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below, as it helps out the channel tremendously and will help you reach your crypto goals. Now we're taking a look at everyone's favorite Sponge V2, launching soon. Missed Sponge 100x pump in 2023. Now it's your chance to buy Sponge V2, launching on a bigger and better exchanges. They currently are available to buy, guys. Looks like they have total staked and bridged over $20 million. You're not going to want to miss out on these ones. Guys, these tokens, especially the people getting early, end up making a massive bag. With $20 million already raised, guys, can we see this hit 100 million? 150 million? It's quite possible. Your last chance to buy Sponge V2 before exchange listings. Buy and stake to earn Sponge V2 with 167% rewards. We bridge from V1 to V2. Stake your Sponge today and earn rewards as Sponge V2 tokens. So this was a V1 launch price and the current V2 launch price, and prices already increased 7,000%, yet the Sponge has more percent to grow. And you can connect your wallet to earn 167% with stakings. Did you miss 100x pump? Here's your time to get into a better deal. Bigger and better, absorbing all the damp. Buy and stake Sponge using the button above to start earning rewards today. Spongers will gain tokens by staking Sponge before the claim date. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and link this in the description below if you want to grab a bag. V1 listing is featured on a ton of different places. We're seeing Gate.io, LB Bank, CoinW, Mexi. It was basically everywhere. Sponge V2 achievements, they had $100 million market cap at all-time highs, 13,000 holders, 10 plus centralized exchange listings, spectacular gains for early spongers, 30,000 social media followers in number of days. So they are on that road to $100 million, guys. It's still your chance to get in early. And we're seeing with these pre-sale coins and just cryptocurrency in general, the people who make the biggest bag are the people getting early. So make sure you get your bag while you still have a chance. Guys, on Telegram, they have already 13,000 subscribers. The Krabby Patty of meme coins. Buy Sponge, absorb the damp. You're not going to want to miss out on this one. When game coming soon. Play to earn racer. Looks like they're getting into the play to earn space, which has been very popular this bull market in crypto gaming, and play to earn has been so popular, and looks like Sponge is dipping its toes in the water. Earn more Sponge in a wacky new play to earn game. And then they have a how to buy and how to stake tab. The tokenomics for V2, we can see 43% for staking rewards, 26% for the bridge, 10% for centralized exchange liquidity, 8% to play to earn, 4% for the game development, and 7.5% for marketing. So bridge launch, stake V1 to earn V2, no pre-sale, no taxes, big marketing budget, amplify centralized exchange liquidity, earn V2 tokens, and play to earn game. They have a solid roadmap in place, guys, as well, with 3 stages. Announce the V2, stake SpongeBob launch, buy to stake for Sponge 2 V2 bonuses, Sponge game research, absorb the damp, V2 claim, V2 listing, bigger and better exchanges, Sponge game develop, 10,000 holders. Stage 3 is tier 1 exchange listings, Sponge game app launch, 100 million market cap, more social domination, and all damp. And that's pretty solid here. The interesting thing for this project is they decide to list without a pre-sale, which some people like, but me personally, I like to get into pre-sales early. Talking about pre-sales that you could get into early right now, guys, is Slotana. Buy now before the launch. One soul is 10,000 slot. They've already raised over $8 million and it hasn't even launched yet. This is going to be your opportunity to get in super early. Join the Slotana's journey from leafy lounges to crypto ridges. The pre-sale is happening right now. It is live. You go to the website and buy now. I'll also link Slotana in the description below so you can take a look, guys. From $420 to $420 million with Slotana, dive into the slot pre-sale. We're seeing extreme popularity with Solana token Slurf, and Slotana is trying to replicate that, just like we're seeing with SpongeBob V2. So it was interesting that we compare the two. SpongeBob V2 is obviously backing off of V1. Slotana is backing off of Slurf. Slotana has a pre-sale where Sponge didn't. So we have 2 tokens here that have exponential growth opportunities. Make sure you go ahead and take a look at both. Now let's take a look at the Sponge socials, guys. They have over 36,000 followers on Twitter. Miss Sponge V2 100x in 2023. Buy now and stake Sponge V2 now to absorb the damp. This is your opportunity to get in early to make that money. As you can see, guys, it looks like the play to earn game is getting close. Don't forget, Spongers. Sponge V2 is bringing exciting utility through our upcoming play to earn game. Get ready to earn Sponge tokens by playing a game and rank on leaderboards. Stay tuned for more info. So play the game. A great stake opportunity with great potential to earn. This one is a project you're not going to want to miss out. Guys, I'm I'm gonna go ahead and link Sponge V2 in the description below if you want to grab a bag. I'm also gonna list Solana, guys, because the pre-sale's ending very soon, and you might want to grab a bag of that as well. If you want to stay tuned for the latest and greatest crypto news, you know what to do. Smash the subscribe button to stay tuned for more crypto news. Like always, guys, not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence. And until next time, it's your boy Umar. Peace.